Now let's get you updated on what we know about the coronavirus right now. Indiana has now topped 10,000 positive cases and more than 500 deaths. Here in central Indiana, a vast majority of those cases are in Marion County. Lake County up in northwestern Indiana has the second most. And let's look at the big takeaways from the governor's latest COVID-19 update. Number one, our stay-at-home order is now extended through May 1st. Number two, the governor is talking with different sectors of the state's economy to figure out reopening plans. And number three, the state released some of our recovery numbers. More than 2/3 of patients who were hospitalized have now recovered, and the average person spent about 9 days in the hospital. Now to the top takeaways from the president's latest COVID-19 briefing. The Department of Agriculture is working on a $19 billion relief program for farmers. Part of that money goes to direct payments. The other pays for large shipments of meat, dairy, and produce from farmers to give to food banks and other community groups. Over the next few weeks, the federal government will send out 5.5 million testing swabs to states to increase testing rates for COVID-19. Vice President Mike Pence announced there are enough tests right now to start phase one of the government's reopening plan for the country. But health leaders aren't sure there are enough for phase two.
All right, now let's take a closer look at that new three-part plan to reopen the country amid this COVID-19 crisis. Each phase requires states to meet certain criteria to make sure this virus doesn't resurge. Now, phase one is that larger venues could reopen under strict social distancing measures. Elective surgeries could resume, but bars and schools, they would remain closed. In phase two, that's when schools and daycare centers or camps can reopen, and bars could reopen as well, but visits to nursing homes and hospitals would still be barred. Lastly, phase three. Higher risk people could go back out into the public. Companies can resume normal staffing without restrictions, and nursing homes and hospitals, they could reopen to visitors. Again, the three-phase plan the president unveiled Friday is not mandatory. States are still in charge of deciding when and how to best start reopening, but those are kind of suggestions or guidelines for them to follow. Now to the issue of widespread testing and just how available it is. It's going to be a big topic of discussion when Vice President Mike Pence appears on Meet the Press here on NBC tomorrow. NBC's Chuck Todd told our own Scott Swan it's one of the first questions he'll be asking the VP.
Without the security of the widespread testing, I don't think the public's going to come out and jumpstart the economy. You can say businesses are open, but if people don't feel safe, they're not coming.
You can watch Meet the Press tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. right here on Channel 13 after sunrise.